Hey everyone! You wouldn't believe how easy it is to start making money online without spending a dime. I'm going to tell you about 5 simple ways to get started, right from your couch. First up, freelance writing. Do you enjoy writing? Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are looking for content creators just like you. Write articles, write captions, or even translate text. All you need is a laptop and internet access. Second, social media management. Every business needs a presence on social media. Help them manage their content and schedule their posts. Start with your friends or family who have small businesses. Use free tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Third, affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products. Share links from Amazon or other websites. Share them on your social media or even a small blog. Fourth, voiceover services. Do you have a great voice? Offer voiceover services for videos, ads, or audiobooks. Platforms like Fiverr can help you get started. Record samples with your phone. Fifth, graphic design. Design logos, posters, or presentations. Use free tools like Canva. Start with small projects like social media posts and share your work online to attract clients. All of these methods require no initial investment, just effort and patience. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on the Hustle program.